Ever get stuck behind someone counting out a mountain of loose change at the bank? Felt the pressure of a banker trying to upsell you on some fancy, and usually expensive, financial product? Yeah, traditional banking isn't exactly known for its convenience or excitement. That's where online banks come in. These digital-first institutions offer a whole new way to manage your money, all from the comfort of your couch, or wherever you have an internet connection. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Today, we're diving deep into SoFi Bank, a popular online bank that's been making waves with its high interest rates and fee-free accounts. But here's the burning question most people have: is SoFi Bank online only? Absolutely. SoFi throws out the brick-and-mortar model entirely, focusing on a mobile-first approach. This means all your banking needs, from checking your balance to depositing checks, are handled through their website or app. Now, for some folks, that might be a deal-breaker. There's a certain comfort in having a physical location to walk into if you need help. But for others, the convenience of online banking is a major perk. No more waiting in lines, no more scrambling for branch hours. You can bank on your own time, whenever you like. So, what does SoFi offer besides ditching the stuffy branches? Let's break down the key features. High-yield accounts. This is probably the biggest draw for SoFi. They boast competitive interest rates on both their checking and savings accounts, meaning your money actually grows while it sits there. In today's low-interest rate environment, that's a pretty sweet deal. Fees? We don't know her. SoFi gets rid of a bunch of the annoying fees traditional banks love to charge. No monthly maintenance fees, no ATM fees, as long as you use a network they partner with, and even overdraft fees are kept to a minimum. This can save you a ton of money in the long run, especially if you're prone to the occasional accidental overdraft. Mobile banking made easy. SoFi's app is consistently rated as one of the best in the business. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and lets you do pretty much everything you'd expect from a banking app: transferring funds, depositing checks with your phone's camera, paying bills, the whole shebang. But of course, there are always some downsides to consider. While SoFi excels in the digital space, that online-only approach might not be for everyone. If you need regular face-to-face interaction with a banker, SoFi just can't offer that. Another thing to keep in mind is that SoFi is still a relatively young bank compared to some of the giants on Wall Street. While they're FDIC insured, which means your money is protected up to a certain amount, some people might prefer the established reputation of a traditional bank. Ultimately, that depends on your banking needs and preferences. If you value convenience, low fees, and competitive interest rates, and don't mind the lack of physical branches, then SoFi could be a great fit. But if you need the security of a physical location or prefer more personalized service, you might be better off with a traditional bank. The bottom line: SoFi Bank offers a compelling online banking experience with high yields and fee-free accounts. However, the online-only nature might not suit everyone. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.